Okay, if you got a wedding coming up and no clue what to wear, some pretty affordable options. Spent literally $0. First up, this beautiful off-shoulder dress. Beautiful for a garden wedding. This bodycon, look how gorgeous. Definitely on the lighter side, so perfect for summer. Absolutely love this shade of pink. So elegant and lightweight. Such a flattering design, perfect for a garden wedding. The next one is with the ruffles. Look at the details. Absolutely love how flowy it is. Would be so perfect for a beach wedding. So as you see, a few of these are definitely on the lighter side. For a more relaxed setting, these are perfect, like this floral one. It's so soft and elegant. These all are just too pretty not to try on. Here's my code. If you're on a budget, Temu has tons of options.